Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click pair new device and after that open the charging case. Remove your earbuds from the charging case, and if it's your first connection, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see it at the device list. But also we can enter to pairing mode manually. At the back side of the earbuds, right here, at the top we have SOUNDCORE logo, and right here is touch areas. You need to press and hold both of these touch areas for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode manually. So you just 1, 2 and 3, and then you will enter to pairing mode manually, and you will also see it at the device list. Tap on it and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!